Apple is running out of periscope camera and display components. According to a claim from Korean site The Elec, Apple is supposedly experiencing trouble finding components for the expected trademark feature of the iPhone 15 Pro Max's periscope telephoto camera. According to reports, Sony and LG Innotek components for the periscope zoom are not being manufactured in sufficient numbers. Without adequate stock to build iPhone 15 Pro Max units, this model, or possibly the whole iPhone 15 line, might be delayed or suffer from significant supply shortages once they go on sale, as we saw last year with the iPhone 14 Pro and notably the iPhone 14 Pro Max. We're quite enthusiastic about the anticipated periscope telephoto camera for the iPhone 15 Pro Max since it will vastly boost the optical zoom level that an iPhone can attain. The periscope system, which permits a more powerful zoom lens to fit within the iPhone's small casing, is said to allow for 5x or 6x magnification. However, this is not expected to be a feature of the iPhone 15 Pro. According to rumors, the smaller Pro iPhone will retain the existing 3x telephoto zoom seen on previous Pro iPhone versions. Elsewhere, according to The Elec, all iPhone 15 displays are already in mass production, but there may not be enough to go around for now, particularly for the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. Samsung Display is the first and only vendor permitted by Apple to mass-produce displays for all four projected next-generation iPhone models. However, it is not responsible for the large bulk of any display. Instead, Apple seems to have recruited LG Display to concentrate on the displays of the Pro models and BOE for the basic and Plus screens, which is why there might be problems on the future. According to The Elec, LG now has conditional clearance to build the iPhone 15 Pro displays, with arrangements in place for it to also build the Pro Max screens. This indicates LG Display still has more work to do before its display manufacturing is deemed dependable enough to be used for mass production of iPhone 15 Pro screens, with more necessary before Apple would trust it with the Pro Max. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.